Welcome back to TP Vibro. Now உங்கள் TK. Today we will see part 2 one words Chaucer to Shakespeare. Continuous question number 26. Spenser's 88 sonnets in his Amorti are addressed to option A. Elizabeth Boyle, option B. Benilov, option C. Lyra, option D. Beatrice. Correct answer is option A. Elizabeth Boyle. Question number 27. Shakespeare wrote dash sonnets. Option A 126, option B 128, option C 136, option D 154. Correct answer is option D 154. Question number 28. Out of 154 sonnets, 126 of Shakespeare's sonnets are addressed to option A. Dark Lady, option B. Mr. W.H., option C. Queen Elizabeth, option D. Lady Benilov. Correct answer is option B. Mr. W.H. Question number 29. In how many books is the House of Fame divided? Option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option D 6. Correct answer is option A 3. Question number 13. La Fontaine is famous for option A parable, option B fable, option C short story, option D epic. Correct answer is option B fable. Question number 31. The fall of Constantinople to the Turks took place in the year option A 1453, option B 1455, option C 1485, option D 1535. Correct answer is option A 1453. Question number 32. Two names related to the beginning of Renaissance are option A Petrarch and Boccaccio, option B Aristotle and Plato, option C Horace and Longinus, option D Chaucer and Langland. இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கு நீங்கள் எந்த ஆன்சர் கெஸ் பண்ணீங்க? கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஆப்ஷன் ஏ Petrarch and Boccaccio. Question number 33. Petrarch, born in 1304, died in the year option A 1374, option B 1347, option C 1348, option D 1357. Correct answer is option A 1374. Question number 34. Battle of Agincourt took place in the year option A 1453, option B 1415, option C 1408, option D 1426. Correct answer is option B 1450. Question number 35. Which of Horace's work is in English? Option A Confessio Amantis, option B Vox Calamitis, option C Speculum Meditantis, option D none of these. Correct answer is option A Confessio Amantis. Question number 36. Vox Calamitis was written in option A Latin, option B French, option C English, option D Greek. Correct answer is option A Latin. Question number 37. Speculum Meditantis was written in option A Latin, option B French, option C English, option D Greek. Correct answer is option B French. Question number 38. John Barber's Views was written in the year option A 1378, option B 1390, option C 1382, option D 1375. Correct answer is option D 1375. Question number 39. Confessio Amantis was written in the year option A 1378, option B 1390, option C 1382, option D 1375. Correct answer is option B 1390. Question number 40. Malory's Mort the author was written in the year option A 1431, option B 1420, option C 1528, option D 1469. Correct answer is option D 1469. Question number 41. Sermons was written by option A Hugh Latimer, option B Moore, option C Reginald Peacock, option D Capgrave. Correct answer is option A Hugh Latimer. Question number 42. Sermons is a option A poetry, option B prose work, option C drama, option D essay. Correct answer is option B prose work. Question number 43. Who marked alliteration verse by calling it rhyming rum raff roof? Option A Chaucer, option B Langland, option C Arnold, option D Keats. இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கு நீங்கள் எந்த ஆன்சர் கெஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க? Correct answer is option A Chaucer. Chaucer is a correct answer. Question number 44. Chaucer ridiculed the doggerel rhymes in option A Rhymes of Sir Thopas, option B Legend of Good Women, option C A Declaration upon Certain Writings, option D None. Correct answer is option A Rhymes of Sir Thopas. Question number 45. The defeat of Spanish Armada took place in the year option A 1632, option B 1641, option C 1588, option D 1611. Correct answer is option C 1588. Question number 46. In Hamlet, who utters the lines, when sorrows hum, they come not in spice but in badylines? Option A Latus, option B Claudius, option C Gertrude, option D Polonius. Correct answer is option B Claudius. Question number 47. Every man is an anonymous. Option A Shakespearean play, option B restoration comedy, option C heroic play, option D morality play. Correct answer is option D morality play. Question number 48. Drayton, Webster, Middleton and Samuel Daniel were English poets of the dash age. Option A Elizabethan, option B Augustan, option C Chaucerian, option D Victorian. Correct answer is option A Elizabethan. Question number 49. The pleasures of the earth are fully expressed in the play. Option A Dr. Faustus, option B The Jew of Malta, option C The Pastime of Pleasure, option D Tamperline. Correct answer is option D Tamperline. Question number 50. The humanists of 15th century studied the classic. Option A Paradise Lost, option B Aeneid, option C Ars Poetica, option D Literaria Humanities. Correct answer is option D. Literaria Humanities. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்களுடைய ஒப்பீனியனை கமெண்ட்டில் தட்டி விடுங்க, உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணிடுங்க. இது வரைக்கும் என்னோடய சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கீழே இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணி விடுங்க. நான் அப்லோட் பண்ணுற ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனில் வந்துக்கிட்டே இருக்குது. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங். கீப் சப்போர்ட்டிங் மை சேனல்.